Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Today we are going to study these 10 characters. 今天我们学习的是这10个平假名。はい、それでは始めましょう。Okay, so before we start, let's review last lessons. 那么今天开始之前呢，我们复习一下上一次的课程。はい、what is this? さ、し、す、せ、そ。さ、し、す、せ、そ。How about this? た、ち、つ、て、と。た、ち、つ、て、と。はい、それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。はい。な、な、な。How to write な。1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. な。Okay, next. に。に。How to write に。1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. に。This is ぬ。ぬ。ぬ。Looks like a little bit complicated, isn't it? Okay, how to write ぬ。1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. ぬ。Next, ね。ね。How to write ね。1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. ね。の。の。No is one stroke. No. No. Okay, so here's the question for you. What is this? This is ni. How about this? This is no. Na. Ne. How about this? Nani. Nani. It means what? How about this? This is inu. Inu. It means dog. How about this? Neko. Neko. It means cats. はい、それでは次。はい、what is this? This is は。は。How to write は? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. は。ひ。ひ。This is one stroke. How to write ひ? 1. Once again. 1. ひ。Okay, so ふ。ふ。How to write ふ? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. ふ。Okay, so this is へ。へ。How to write へ? 1. Once again. 1. へ。Yes, the last character. ほ。ほ。How to write ほ? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. ほ。それでは発音の注意点です。は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほのふに注意してください。ふ、口の形はふ、これです。ふとかふではありません。ふ、ふ。These two characters, usually we say ha and he, but actually ha is a popular particle, point topic particle. So when it is used as a particle, it is pronounced as wa, wa, and he also used as a particle. So when it is used as a particle, it is pronounced as e, e. Okay, so here's the question for you. What is this? This is ha. How about this? This is hu, ho, hi, he. Okay, so how about this? This is hana. Hana, it means flower. How about this? This is hoho. Hoho, it means cheek. はい、皆さんお疲れ様でした。Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye. 下个影片见，拜拜。